Welcome to Whirlpool Corporation Ottawa Operations, home of the JennAir premium refrigeration product. The JennAir brand, our most luxury, highest end appliance that Whirlpool Corporation builds. It takes a lot of pride and attention to detail, extreme amount of craftsmanship to be successful and meet those customers' high expectations. Whirlpool has invested over $100 million in the past few years to transform this factory from producing freezers into a true premium refrigeration factory.
We invest a lot of training with our operators on craftsmanship, quality standards, as well as invest in a lot of quality systems within our factory, like vision systems and AGVs, to ensure that our operators have good ergonomic positions when they're building a product, and ensure that we're shipping the best product that we can to our customers.
And this JennAir common refrigeration line in Ottawa. We pride ourselves in the precision and attention to detail. We essentially make Ferraris of refrigeration and cooling.
My role entails just making sure just setting up control plans or any quality parameters that we might need to maintain the quality in-house. And we just want to make sure that anything that could affect the sealing of our units to how it functions.
My favorite part of my day is coming here to work with all of our team members and soldering at one of our jobs that we have on our line. I double check my work and make sure that the job is done correctly, and it would be something that I would want in my home.
I am a group lead in the assembly department, so I just oversee production. I help with any troubleshooting. I coordinate with other departments to make sure this line runs very smooth. We have a longer takt time, so that ensures us more time to, take a closer look at the appliance and make sure everything is up to JennAir standards.